What is up, guys? Welcome back to the German Muscle channel. If you guys are new, get down there and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you guys never miss out on future uploads. Today is not going to be a car video. I'm currently working on 2 videos for you guys. I'm going to be finishing up how to wet sand and buff paint on your car. I gotta wait until the snow actually goes away, melts or whatever, because it's just way too cold outside and you don't really want to mess with wax while it's cold. The other video is how to fix the heat in your car. I didn't have the right tools, so I couldn't finish that video. So I figured I would make a video for you guys of me sledding with my brother. And yeah, so haven't made a video in a few days because of the coldness and the snow. Welcome to Ohio. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so we just got up here to the school. We're about to get out and go sledding. So if you guys don't have a sled, and you guys have like a wheelbarrow laying around, this is what we're using. There's wheelbarrows that people had in the trash. One was really rusted out, but it had a good body on it, or the good, like the wood and stuff. And this one right here, it had bad wood on it. So we just stripped them down, threw everything away, and this is a sled. I had this for how long now? Like 2 months. Been waiting on the, about 3 months waiting on the snow. So here we are finally in the middle of January. It doesn't like to snow in December here in Ohio. Alright guys, we was up here earlier. We had to go back to the house because I had to use the bathroom. This is my brother, if you can see him. Looks like a tampon, yeah. He's about to go down the steps. My ass is real itchy because it got wet earlier. Come on. And here we go.
Yeah.
Oh shit. There he goes. You need to push? Hang on. Oh, round 2. Go, you freaking fatty. The other side is better. Fail. Snap. Haha. And they put some brakes on it. And they put some halos on it too. Yep. Alright, my turn.
Go ahead. Faggot ass nigga.
Alright guys, I'm out of breath. You better go backwards. Oh, you did it. Running up this hill ain't no joke. Oh, I'm too fat for this shit.
Alright, go. Yeah.
There he goes. Keep going, keep going. Oh shit. Popping wheelie. Sir, that's illegal. That's illegal in the state of Georgia. Alright guys, I'm pushing this fat dude. I'm pushing by the neck. Get the fuck out of here. Oh snap. Oh shit. Alright guys, here I go.
You want me to push it?
Oh, alright.
Oh, you're going to hit it. Why'd you stop? He's gay.
Brother out here helping the local kids. Oh, you broke the rope. Oh wow. Oh shit. I just fell. You got it?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
He made it. Hey look, I just noticed we have a little creeper. That's a dude up there standing in the window creeping down on kids. What a weirdo. This is a pretty big hill. Over here we have a fat kid running up the hill with the sled. Come on, fat mate. Come on, mate. Ooh, that's assault. That's assault with a wearable. Oh shit, you alright? Need to push?
No.
Push anyway. Go.
I'm gonna pat down this.
That's one way down the mountain. Keep going. Oh shit. Keep going. Pussy. Keep going, dude. Damn. Alright guys, there's a humongous snowball that some kids built. Currently pushing the fat dude down the hill. Oh, that neck gonna be cold. This is like the best flashlight you guys can get. Whoa, shit. Look at this thing. Has a thing on where you can zoom, push it up and forward. Dude, there's a pizza. Look at this snowball. Oh, I was coughing because I currently was breathing in snow. Here we go. Come on.
That didn't work out.
Hey, that's what a sled's for. That's what a sled's for. Look at this snowball, dude. Get on top of that. Like, get on it and pose. Pose like the little kid that you are. He is Batman. I can't see your face and nothing on that.
You're gonna break it. Yeah.
Welcome back to the German Muscle Channel, guys. Alright guys. If you guys can see right here is the top of a hill and goes down. This is the whole place where I'm at. There's a hill right here. There's another hill right here. That's pretty cool. A big snowball is over there. I'm too fat for this. Trying to get my brother to go down these steps right here. Hopefully he hits one of them poles, spins out, so I can laugh at him. He's over there blowing up a pizza because he's gay. He loves putting his lips on stuff. Don't you, Cody? Huh? What if you're gay? Do what? This is freaking awesome. This is the school. I'm not going to show you guys the school for privacy of the kids. I bet you're laying on the snow. It's cold. You're good. You love sucking. You like doing that, don't you?
What, blowing? Pull my hair.
Look at this dude.
Huh?
Some little kid probably put their butt cheeks on that. You're blowing it up. Look, it's got Parmesan cheese on it. Guys, it is like 30 degrees out here, but it's not cold. If that makes any sense. Probably because I'm walking around keeping my blood pumping. But It's usually not cold when it's snowing. Alright guys, I'm about to push my brother. You ready? Huh? Yeah, well. On a big ass pizza. Damn, he went far. Hey, he went farther than the wheelbarrow. Hey, you ready to go down here, Cody? Huh? Go down it. Get ready and go.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's go ahead. Ooh, but that hurt. Did it hurt? Huh?
I might as well just try again.
These nuts. Alright guys, he's gonna go back down with the pizza. It has, look at that Parmesan, dude. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Jump on it, dude. Just run and jump on it. Do it for YouTube. Do it for the blog. Come on. Come on. Yeah, son. Watch how far he goes. That black thing out there, usually couldn't get past it. Now we can. He looks so gay carrying that big old pizza. Oh my god, dude.
Hey, there's a wall there. You're too fat.
Dude, you feel every bit of that on your stomach. I had to put my fist down to stop it. I had to drag my feet over here. It almost went off the little ledge. Pushing this fat dude again. This thing will slide, son. Hey, watch that little kid. Go to the left, go to the left. Oh shit. Oh, wrong left, but okay. Oh, he just hit something down there.
This one's harder.
Oh, shit. He's going. You gotta go out an angle though, because you'll hit the side.
Not worried about that.
Shit. Should have went down the other
See
way.
how this thing works.
Where's the sled thing that we brought?
Huh?
The. Alright. He gonna try a surfboard. Who brought a surfboard? Or a skimboard? You gonna snap it? Yep, just did. Too fat. Yeah, that shit ain't gonna work. It's got fibers in it, that's why. You better pick that up. Oh well, someone else left it here anyway. Someone else can have it. Oh shit, homeboy just fell. You going? Dude. Hold up, what's this? This motherfucker look like a little yachty. Look at this shit, little yachty. Little faggot. Alright, you ready? There he goes. Trying to throw a snowball at him. Can't wait to go to Florida. Jump into the ocean. It's starting to get cold out here now. That was a pathetic throw. Dog can throw farther than that. Hey, we need to go get Tyson, dude. Bring him out here. Dude, I got that on video, son. Yeah.
You got that on video?
Hell yeah. I don't even know what I'm gonna name this video. Oh shit. Oh, look at this. That's how you carry up a big ass pizza. Look at that. These hills are really steep, guys.
Let's put this down.
Put it on top.
Yeah.
You gonna mess with the pizza, man?
Okay.
My jacket's soaked. That looks so cool how the snow is falling down on the light. That looks dope. My phone is soaked too. Lil Yachty's about to go down. Lil Yachty. Lil Cody. Alright, I'm pushing this fat dude again. Dude, that's so much smoother. There he goes. Oh, hang on. Take two. Alright. You're such a fat ass. Oh my god. Jeez. That didn't work. There we go. Go ahead, just keep moving. Swim. Pathetic.
This ain't way better.
He loves that.
That's how I do it standing up.
He loves that pizza.
I wonder if I can snowboard. Probably bust my face.
Yeah. How it going? Hey, there you go. There's your snowboard, your pizza board. Hang in there. Ah, keep it going. Dope. If you guys put duct tape on the bottom of your shoes, you slide a lot better. Ready?
Hey, it worked. Oh shit, there's a kid.
I just missed that guy's face.
Ooh.
Here we go.
That one's got brakes on it, don't it?
No. Why do you go that way? Alright, pause it.
You're recording.
Recording now?
Mm-hmm.
Got a major dent. We need to put some Bondo in it. That works. Alright guys, my brother is going to attempt to do a front flip down the hill. Go. Fail. Oh shit. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Come on, little Yachty. Little Yachty right here, son. Oh man, my phone's not focusing. Oh, focus. Come on, focus. There we go. You gonna run into it? Here he goes, here he goes. Oh shit, oh shit. Ooh, crash, crash. Boom.
Should I take him down the hill?
Hey, do you smoke?
No, I chill.
Oh, bless you. Damn. Yeah, straight tackled him. Fun stuff.
Football.
This camera better be focused. Almost at 20 minutes.
Huh?
Almost at 20 minutes. If you guys are watching it this long, subscribe. Stays in the loop on future videos. Run and jump into that. Stand up. Come on. Oh, he's so stupid. Oh shit, straight savage. That was terrible. Shit. Alright guys, we got two people in the sled. In a wheelbarrow. Oh shit. Give him a push. Oh, shit. Oh shit! Oh, they just took it down. He's about to eat some snow. You? I just pissed up there. You gonna eat it? Ooh. Was it yellow? Damn. Oh. Ooh, piss eater.
That's just let me. Has anyone ever died on this hill slide?
Hey, 10 points if you hit him.
I don't think anybody's ever died at
Do that one.
Oh damn, that'd be funny if he just took him out.
Are you serious?
Alright guys, if you made it this far, hit the subscribe button. We'll friggin' see you later.